Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Right, got that first planted potted up with my canes, my sweet peas. Now we're going to use a smaller one. I already have some dahlias in here. Covered in slugs and snails, as you can see. Get rid of that one. This has got, so here we have some marigolds. Down here some violas that are already flowering. And then we have some petunias that were left over. So first thing I'm going to do with these, just give it a top dress is just an inch or so of fresh compost just over the top, just to revitalise the old stuff. Just mixed in nicely. There's no reason why you can't use the old compost from last year. I do it all the time with really good results, as long as you feed them properly. So yeah, this I want to get enough planted up as I can in here. So start with these. These looking really well. Just lay these round like so, just to give you some idea of where everything's going to be. It's a peat based compost. These marigolds are absolutely outstanding. Really pleased with the results of these. So like so, we have, how many is there? So 8 of those. So what I'll do with those next is I'll get them planted up. So yeah, get these planted. That's a dahlia in the middle. It flowered beautiful yellow last year. So I get them as deep as they were in the pots, like so. Just drop one. So you want to go all the way around. You can get right up against the edge. If you have to snap off a few of the roots, it's not the end of the world. They will grow back nicely. Like a lot of the gardening books that you read say June is the first of June before you start planting your annuals out. The ones that are not frost hardy, but with global warming, I looked at the weather forecast, next 2 weeks is going to be absolutely brilliant with no frost. So as long as the weather stays like that, we should be fine. I'm running out of room in the greenhouse as well. That's another reason why I'm taking the risk of doing it early. Last few years I've done it early as well, and it's worked out fine. But if you want to take the risk, do it. If not, wait till 1st of June, like all the books say. Just a couple more. And that's the marigolds planted up. These will get, I shall then start feeding these twice a week, because everything in here is going to be really hungry. You want to make sure you've got probably 1/2 inch to 1 inch of room all the way around the edge. So when you water them, the water just doesn't go over the side. I've got one more that I've got here. So I can go just here. Get that off. That's spot on. Get it all in between. That's nice. And then we'll have a row of violas in the middle. So yeah, a ring of violas. Just take the bottoms off these, just so. That should be a good mixture. Yeah, just a couple more to do. And as you can see here, we have a really good edge to all this. These violas are perennials, so once they're looked after, come back every year. It's a peat-based compost. I use Marigolds and a Tomarite to feed them on, like a mixture of both of those. I don't mix them in the feeder, but one feed I'll feed Tomarite, one feed I'll feed Marigolds. Seems to work really, really well. Just show you the dahlias there in the middle. So yeah, that's all them planted nicely. I really enjoy that. I think that's a really good pot full of flowers. I was going to put some petunias in there, but I think that's plenty. So yeah, that's how to plant up your marigolds and your violas. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.